this Rubik's Cube set, which is cool. I love the bright colors, like it's different from the standard Rubik's Cube, and I don't know if you can see the shininess, but like it comes with like a carbon fiber decal on all the things, which has like a nice texture. They're super easy to twist and maneuver, and it's cool, like each one comes with its own instruction manual. So there's multiple languages on here, but if you open it up, it like kind of teaches you how to do it. So I've never been able to do Rubik's Cubes in the past. I'm hoping I'll be able to like start with the lowest one and then actually like learn how to play with this, but it's actually pretty cool. I dig it.